Hi everyone, Yifei, your immigration lawyer. Today I'm going to be talking about the U visa. What is the U visa? It's when an individual who's been a victim of crime helps law enforcement and receives temporary status in the U.S., which can lead to permanent status, a green card. And how do you become a U visa recipient? First of all, you have had to been a victim of a crime. For example, you've been robbed, you've been strangled by your spouse, you've been kidnapped. These are all qualifying crimes, and you've given aid to law enforcement. You've told them, for example, who committed the crime against you. You testified against the people who committed the crimes against you, and you've gotten these people in trouble. And the purpose of the U visa is so that the law enforcement can work with these immigrants who don't have to hide in the shadows, and these immigrants can themselves get status through the U visa. And a lot of times with the U visa, people who are subject to crimes, they themselves are also involved in crime. So there's several waivers of inadmissibility that you have to submit um, if you want to be qualified for the U visa. For example, if you yourself have criminal convictions in the past, you have to prove to USCIS that you have family ties here, and that giving you the U visa would be beneficial to society, beneficial for you, versus taking you out of the country based on your previous convictions. So the U visa is a very important tool. It can save you from deportation. It can give you status in the U.S. It can lead to a green card if you spend 3 years in the United States after receiving the U visa, and it can also give you work papers once you get the U visa. The U visa so far, every year Congress only qualified 20,000 recipients, so there's a huge backlog of the U visas. But then under Joe Biden, he's instituted executive orders and legislations that will expand the 20,000 cap to over 50,000 or even double that. So we're still waiting, but right now the U visa is still a viable alternative to a lot of people who don't have options. And here at the law office Yifei, we help with U visas. We specialize in U visas. We've had a lot of grants of U visas, despite the long wait period. And we're here to put the grant in immigrant. Thank you.